Have you ever dreamt of generating stunning visuals straight from your imagination? Forget expensive software or artistic training. In this video, we'll explore Craiyon, the free AI image generator that lets you turn words into captivating artwork. Let's unlock your creative potential. Craiyon, your AI-powered art studio. Craiyon is a groundbreaking website that uses artificial intelligence to generate images based on your text descriptions. Whether you need visuals for a project, want to bring your wildest ideas to life, or simply have fun experimenting, Craiyon offers a powerful and accessible solution. Features of Craiyon: effortless creation. Simply type in your desired scene, object, or concept. No artistic skills needed. Unlimited creativity. Craiyon generates a variety of styles, from photorealistic landscapes to surreal dreamlike creations. Instant results. Get your AI-generated images within seconds, ready to download and use. Completely free. No subscriptions or hidden fees. Unleash your artistic vision without breaking the bank. How to use Craiyon? Head over to craiyon.com, link in the video description below. Enter your text prompt. Be as specific as possible to get the exact image you desire. Click Generate Images. Sit back and watch Craiyon work its magic. Choose your favorite image. Select the one that best reflects your vision. Download and use. Save your masterpiece to use it for any creative project. Benefits of using Craiyon: boost your creativity, spark new ideas, and explore visual concepts in a fun and interactive way. Save time and money. Ditch expensive software or hiring artists. Create stunning visuals in a snap. Perfect for everyone, from students and professionals to hobbyists and aspiring artists. Craiyon empowers anyone to create. Endless possibilities. Use Craiyon for creating presentations, marketing materials, concept art, character design, or simply for fun. Bonus tips. And here's a pro tip. If you're looking for specific details in your image, try being very descriptive in your prompts. The more precise your prompt, the closer Craiyon can get to your vision. And if you're not completely satisfied with the initial results, keep experimenting. Sometimes a small change in wording can make a big difference. While Craiyon is an amazing tool, it's essential to note that it does have limitations. The AI may reflect biases present in the data it was trained on, which is an ongoing area of research. Always be mindful of this when generating art. Currently, there isn't a mobile app available, so be cautious of unofficial versions claiming to be Craiyon. Ready to unleash your inner artist and explore the world of AI-generated imagery? Head to craiyon.com and start creating today. Subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tech tutorials and creative hacks. Leave a comment below, share your Craiyon creations, and tell us what you think.